Hey guys, I'm KB Kwan. Welcome back to another episode of Taste of Asian Food. Today, I'm going to show you how to prepare a typical Cantonese-style everyday food. And it is a stir-fried bitter gourd with salted egg yolks. So without further delay, let's get started. Let's start with the bitter gourd. This is the bitter gourd I get it from the market. The weight is about 1 pound. If your bitter gourd is smaller, you can use more than one. Remove both ends. Then cut it in half lengthwise. Remove the seeds and the soft pith by using a metal spoon. Then scrape it clean after removing the seeds. Slice it diagonally into thin pieces about half a centimeter. And there you have it, the bitter gourd slices. It is also known as bitter melon. Remove the thick coating on the surface. After washing, the eggs are clean now. Then crack the salted eggs. Then separate the yolks from the whites and place the yolk on a small plate that is suitable for steaming. In this recipe, we are not going to use the egg whites. I'll then reserve it for another dish that is steamed salted eggs with ground meats, and I will leave the link to the recipe in the description below the video. Next, fill some water in the steamer and bring it to a boil. Place the egg yolk in the steamer and then cover by the lid. When it is cooked, the color will change. Heat up a wok, a pan or the skillet. Add some oil. Get some chopped garlic and then saute the chopped garlic with the oil until aromatic, which will take about half a minute. Next, add the bitter melon. And continue stir frying. While stir frying the bitter gourd, season it with some light soy sauce. Some salt, some ground white pepper, and when necessary, add a little bit of water. Let's do a quick test. It's already soft. So now I'm going to remove it from the wok. With the wok unwashed, I'm going to add a little bit more oil. Then place the 2 salted egg yolks in the wok. Then mash the yolk with a spatula. Once I have mashed the salted egg yolks, combine with the bitter gourd slices. do a taste test to see whether it is salty enough. I can add a little bit more salt because this salted egg yolk is not very salty. And just a little bit of sugar to balance the bitterness from the bitter gourd. Then turn up the heat and mix it again. And it is done, plate it to serve. That's how to prepare bitter gourd with salted egg stir-fried. It is a typical Cantonese food that is available and is made by most of the Cantonese average family. It may not be available in the restaurant near you, but it's worth for you to try. And I've included the recipe in the description below the video. Please subscribe, tap the notification bell and give me a thumbs up. And I'll see you again in some other similar video soon. Bye for now.